Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be installing a wig, a 40-inch bust down. It's supposed to be one of my birthday wigs, but I got too lazy to do it on my trip. And I was also missing stuff, so I couldn't even do it for real. But yeah, I'm gonna be installing this. You guys asked me for a tutorial, so you're finally gonna get a tutorial. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first that you're gonna want to do is hot comb your hair back so it's like not in your way. Like, ooh, it was hot. It's hot. It's real hot actually. I feel down. Dun, 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 dun. Don't stop, please, don't stop. Yeah, I've been on TikTok like all day. Yeah, I've been on TikTok all day because they be on live talking about me, bruh. I want to talk about you, girl. Yo, don't kill me. I'm actually so funny. But yeah. I feel like there's no hair on this side. There is no hair on this side. Don't kill me. I don't know what that was, but anyways. Gonna hot comb the hair back. And then you're gonna grab your scissors. I have like little shear scissors, and you're gonna cut around your ear. So basically, you're gonna go like so, okay? Follow your outline of the ear. And pull it apart from the rest of the hair. So see, like this, you're gonna cut right in that line around your ear so it fits. Okay. Looks like that. Oh, this side, does it side like that? No. Yeah, let me see if I put it on my ear. Is it good? Oh, this side's good. Okay. Okay, cool. So after cutting your ear tabs, it should look something like this, okay? It should fit your head perfectly, like, it should fit your head snug. Okay. After you do that, you're gonna cut your hair into 3 sections. I usually just go based on like the middle, right? So like right here, cut over here, and then the sides. Like so. One side. What? Could they hear my stuff? Like that. So then you have 3 windows. Middle, side, side. Then you're gonna do your glue. As much layers as you want. I usually just do 2. Cause I know how to take care of my hair, but I might do 3. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I use even. Cause I'm an even girly. Literally, like everything is even. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna be looking at you guys. I'm gonna be looking at my mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. And let me move up a little bit so I can be close. You see? Okay. I don't know whether I want to start off with the middle or start off with the sides. I'm gonna start off with the middle first. Right? So if you don't have clips, I suggest you get clips because these clips are gonna hold you down. Okay. Ooh, let me not use silver. I like gold. I bought gold clips because I'm extra and I love gold. And like, if you're not wearing gold, then what are you doing? Like, ew. Anyway, I bought gold clips. Wow. Because it's just cuter and it fits my aesthetic way better than silver because I don't wear silver. Like at all. I feel like silver girls are so boring. Sorry. But yeah. Because I'm extra. Yeah, it makes me laugh, bro. I'm actually so funny. I don't care what no one says. Like, I'm funny as hell. Ooh. Okay, boom. Boom. So now we're gonna start off with the glue. Right, as you can see, I don't want to go past my birthmark. Okay, so we're gonna line it up. From where the ball cap is to all the way down there. You're gonna spread it out with whatever you have. Some people use chopsticks, and not chopsticks, what's it called, popsicle sticks, but I just have the edge brush thingy and it works wonders. Okay, and you're gonna wait until it dries clear and then add your next layer. And yes, I do everything in sections. Why? Because I am a perfectionist, and if it doesn't come out the way I want it to, I will cry and be mad. So I'd rather take my time. So I'll be back. So as you can see, it's pretty clear. So we're just gonna go like so. Hold it here. Like right into the glue. Like that. You're gonna grab your comb and just comb it in to the glue like so. Okay, now we're gonna do this side and then we're gonna switch over to this side and I'll be right back because it's gonna be 3 layers. You guys see that? Ooh, nails on my sleeve. We have this side next. No. Okay, so after having everything down, okay, nice and snug, I'm gonna comb it through one more time. Make sure everything is down. And push into your head. Just a little pressure. Alright, it should look like so. Then you're gonna put your band on. I usually put my band on for like 10 minutes. So at first, let me clip this up because it's in the way. Period. Just try to keep the hair out the way. Okay. Alright, band. This is a new band. And you're gonna knot it. Just like so. More pressure. And then now we wait for the 10 minutes to be over. Then we'll cut the lace and proceed. Yeah, I'm so excited to look like wow, bro. So cute. Now I'm gonna take it off. Look, fudge. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this in sections. Because I think I've got enough storage now. So good. I love an ST. Anyway, let me show you my little hack. We add some glue. And you just put it a little bit. I got this from the American girlies because they be eating their wigs up. And then you just spread it out a little bit. And it should dry. Just like so. And then let it dry. Okay, so now we're gonna grab this melting spray. I don't apply it directly to the hair because people that do that, I feel like it's just, you guys are crazy. So I spray on my hand, shake it off, and then apply. And as you can see, it starts to disappear. Okay. And we're gonna continue on the whole head. Close and personal. About to do the edges and okay, so I just section off my edges, my little sideburn, and then I also section off this little part right here because I want to braid it and do a certain style, but I'm not the best braider, so I'll be back when I finish that. I think I'm doing pretty good right now. Not for sure though. I mean, it looks pretty good. Yo, I suck, man. I fucking suck, dude. So this is what it turned out like. It's cool, I guess. I'm about to do the edges. Move on. Okay, so I just cut them, hot comb them. I don't usually curl my edges, so I'm not going to because that's not what I usually do. And now I'm about to style them. Yo, my regular camera is not letting me record anymore. But this is the edge that I did. Keep saying no storage, so I don't know how far we're gonna get into this video. But yeah. So yeah, this is the finished look. For the inch bussy.